It's my time. It's my time. We've got another mod. It's fine. It's fine. I'm excited too. Got a mod, and I am excited for
the front door opened.
That is humongous. Oh my. That is humongous. Oh my gosh. Oh, that is huge. Oh my goodness. All right, let's get to the unboxing. I literally can't go any wider. So this unboxing's a little different because of the size. This unboxing is bigger than the car. So enjoy me struggling getting this in the room. Oh, I almost went the camera. Today's unboxing is going to be something I've been looking to for a while. This actually was ordered back Memorial Day 2020. Yes, Memorial Day. And big shout out, and I'll probably say this a couple times throughout the video, Vibe Motorsports. Vibe Motorsports is who I ordered from. Actually, it was on Beamer Post, and they apparently are pretty active on the forums there. I sent them a PM, and was just like, hey, are there any Memorial Day sales going on? And there was, and we went back and forth. They worked with me. I'm not sponsored by them. I'm not getting any kickback or anything like that. But they had really good communication. I thought a very good deal, and voila. But it did take almost 2 months for this to come. So here it is, Vorsteiner rear diffuser. This is the 4250 model. So there is another model out there. I can't remember that model number off the top of my head, but I'm sure I'll just shoot it down below. That is the more popular one, and it's less aggressive. However, since I am less aggressive on the front of the car, I wanted to go a little bit more aggressive on the rear of the car. So I like to kind of keep it, you know, classy and clean up front, and just want to now have a aggressive, fun back. So I feel like I just described a mullet. So we're gonna do an unboxing. I'm super excited to see how it looks. Also, I'm almost positive this will not fit in my car. So if you were planning to take this to a shop and have them install it, or if you're gonna head to a buddy's house like I was planning on doing, it will not fit. It will not fit in an M3. Not with the seats folded down, it will not fit. So that is why I am doing an unboxing in this fashion, because I will have to have it out of the box in order for me to transport it. So that is the only downside I can think of this right now prior to opening it, but I'm gonna open it up, we're gonna check it out. Super excited for the quality, the look, the finish. We're gonna see how this thing looks. So lots of foam paper, which is good, and thunderstorm. It looks to be very well bubble wrapped, which I'm happy to see. I can tell it's already very light. So I'm carefully gonna put this guy down. I wanna just go through this box, make sure I'm not missing any parts, hardware. It appears there's nothing in the bottom of the box. Hopefully, maybe something is wrapped up in this. I would like to think there might be, but I might be wrong, and it might just be supply your own stuff. Oh, okay, well, that answers that. Because right on the flip side, oh, look at that. There's your hardware enclosed, and this little sticker graphic thing, which I'm not sure where that's gonna go, but that is cool that it's wrapped up like that. I'm not quite sure what this is yet, but it looks sick. This is the most awkward unboxing ever. Okay, we're now at the point where we're just at the paper foam. I can tell you this feels like it's, I might be exaggerating, but it feels lighter than 3 pounds. Like it is just super tossable, but rigid. And if you hear some rumbling, it's because there's a thunderstorm that just broke out. I can tell you this, they thoroughly protected the carbon fiber from the foam paper to the bubble wrap, and then after the foam paper and the bubble wrap, foam paper all the way around it again. And well taped. I'm being super careful with my razor blade. Here we go. I'm trying to hold this carefully so I'm not introducing any unnecessary flex. Wow. 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 That is amazing. That is really pretty. Really pretty. This looks incredible. And there is a sticker or something inside. Authenticity sticker saying this product is legit. You bought the real thing, not a knockoff or an eBay or a V-style diffuser. This is the real deal. There, I just did that. It is, you know, obviously smaller when it's out of the humongous box, but put the sticker on there. Looks like it's got good tabs. It's got pre-drilled holes, which is nice. So hopefully those will match up with some of the OEM ones. And then obviously there's gonna be ones on the side, the little side fins. They probably don't exist, but I'm just gonna probably self-tap those tomorrow, which is the plan. I'm going to a buddy's house. He is a super car enthusiast. We just feed off each other with the car stuff, and he has a very nice stage 3 Golf R, and that thing is quick. So anyway, I'm going to be putting this in the car. I will be taking off the current carbon fiber diffuser and probably putting that up for sale, and cannot wait to add the aggressiveness to the rear end. That is cool. This is cool. This is a perfection redefined serial identification number for the diffuser. And I don't know if it really matters if I cover, but there's a little serial number right here under. I'm covering up with my finger, but basically this is like a credit card. It's as thick as a credit card and has a serial number, and just letting you know that this was the real deal, and certified that they looked it through and it met their standards before they shipped it out. So it's probably why it takes 2 months, but I am already so excited for tomorrow. I am so excited. All right, well, now I'm going to put this in the car, which it now will fit. All right, so unfortunately, I don't think it's gonna be an all-in-one video of doing an unboxing and an install. I was a little extra thorough than I thought I was gonna be with the unboxing with the diffuser, but anyway, it is now in the car. It fits a lot easier when there is no box. So it is all ready. Tomorrow morning, I'll be going up to my buddy Jamie's house, and he will be giving me a hand with the install, and that will be a step-by-step DIY. Really looking forward to that. Thank you again for tuning in. If you liked today's video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe. I will catch you guys next time. Out.